Past continuous tense is a grammatical structure used in English to describe actions or events that were ongoing or in progress at a specific point in the past. It is formed by combining the past tense of the verb, to be, was, were, with the present participle of the main verb, which ends in ing. For example, in the sentence, I was studying when the phone rang, the past continuous tense is employed to convey that the action of studying was in progress when the phone rang. This tense is particularly useful when narrating or recounting events in the past and provides a sense of continuity or duration. It is often used to set the scene, provide background information, or describe simultaneous actions. Additionally, the past continuous tense can be employed to highlight interruptions to ongoing actions in the past. To form the past continuous tense: affirmative, subject plus was were plus present participle, e.g., she was reading a book. Negative, subject plus was were not plus present participle, e.g., they were not watching TV. Interrogative, was were plus subject plus present participle, e.g., were you sleeping? In summary, the past continuous tense adds a dynamic dimension to past events by expressing ongoing actions, contributing to a more vivid and detailed narrative. Certainly. Here are some examples of sentences using the past continuous tense. 1. Affirmative. Asterisk. She was studying when the lights went out. The children were playing in the park all afternoon. We were cooking dinner when the guests arrived. 2. Negative. Asterisk. I wasn't expecting a phone call at that time. They weren't working on the project yesterday. He wasn't listening when I explained the instructions. 3. Interrogative. Asterisk. Were you watching TV when the earthquake occurred? Were they waiting for you at the airport? Was she reading a book when you called? The past continuous tense is useful for describing ongoing actions in the past or expressing what was happening at a specific point in time. It provides a sense of continuity and helps create a more detailed and engaging narrative.